It's about to be summertime here in Columbus, Ohio, and we're trying to lose some weight. We started exercising, doing our due diligence. Now we gotta start looking at what we eat. And guys, calories count. We're not gonna talk about a Pacific diet like vegan diet or carnivore diet, low carb diet. All those diets are legit and it helps with certain metabolic syndrome. But today in this video, we're just going to talk about counting calories. For example, what I have in front of me, a cup of rice right here, guys, is about 680 calories, which equates to 3 cups of cooked rice. An egg is about 70 calories. You add up 3 of these, that's 210 calories. A banana is about 100. Likewise with an apple. Hey Google, how many calories in 10 cashews?
There are 157 calories in 1 ounce of cashew nuts.
So 157 calories, guys, in cashews. Now, you don't really have to measure it like that. You can go and download a free app called myfitnesspal to get an understanding of what you eat in a day. Alright guys, let's check out some math. A pound is equal to 3,500 calories. Say for example, your maintenance level, your current calories per day is 2,500. And you consume 2,000 calories, that leaves you with a 500 deficit. Times 7 is 3,500, which means if you cut out your calories by 500 per day, you will lose a pound in a week. For me, guys, this right here, this ramen that you get at Kroger's is about 500 calories. Hard to give this up, guys, but sometimes you got to if you want to lose some weight. Alright guys, I hope you found this video useful. In the next video, we're going to talk about quality. The quality of food that we eat. Micronutrients, vitamins, proteins, vegetables. Alright? My name is Deepu, aka George Ninja. I hope you found this video useful. Take it easy, guys, and let's lose some weight.